Hey, what's up everybody? It's Ramirez coming to you with the word of the day. Today's word of the day is CC&Rs, otherwise known as covenant codes and restrictions. Now, I'll take you, I'm not going to take you down that lane, but you can take yourself, hit that Google button and start searching to find out what it is. All right, go ahead. Pretty lengthy, right? I definitely agree. Now, do not confuse CC&Rs for an HOA. Totally two separate things. Where do CC&Rs come from? Well, typically any neighborhood that you may live in will have CC&Rs or areas where there are urban dwellings. So covenant codes and restrictions, simply put, every property has them, and they're simply the rules that are detailing that you can't turn that house of yours into a hotel or a liquor store or run a business out of there. Even though there's not a governing body of an HOA monitoring it, when they planned for that development, they planned it accordingly for the home to be used as a home. So if you're looking to make an investment and you want to purchase a home, find out that you're not able to run a liquor store out of that garage. Because if that's what you're interested in doing, you might want to check the CC&Rs. So do not mistake CC&Rs for an HOA. They both somewhat keep the integrity of the community so that we don't have anything going crazy. And so zoning department, do they enforce CC&Rs? They could. Do the city, do they enforce CC&Rs? They could, but for those that are living in a condominium and somebody decides to have chickens in there, well, guess what? The CC&Rs, they didn't call for that. They simply called for housing, and that's where you want to check your CC&R. So if you have a complaint or a neighbor with some chickens in a neighborhood that shouldn't have chickens or llamas, feel free to check with the city and hit them with your CC&Rs. Take care.